Hi hello learners, today we are going to see about anatomy of the hibiscus flower. Today we will learn about these parts. First we can see about petal. Petal is also known as corolla. If you take this hibiscus flower, we can see this red color petals. These were known as petals. The main function of this part is it attracts bees and insects to do pollination. Now let us see about the next part. It is known as sepal, or it is also known as Kellax. If we take this flower, we can find some green color part. This green color part is known as sepal or Kellax. The main function of this part of the flower is it protects the flower when it is in premature stage, that if this flower is like a bud, it helps to prevent from other harmful insects. Now let us see about the next part. It is known as the male reproductive system, that is stamen. If we take the stamen, here we can find some small projections, and these were known as stamen. If you take this, here you can find some yellow color part. This is known as anther. It secretes pollen grain. Then you can find small tube-like structure, and this tube-like structure is known as filament. This is known as stamen, and it is the male reproductive system. Now let us see about female reproductive system. This female reproductive system is also known as gynecium or pistil. If we take this gynecium, you can find three parts. They were stigma, style, ovaries, and inside this ovaries you can find ovules. And here we can find this. For this we have to remove this. If you remove this, you can find some white color layer. This is only known as ovary, and this ovules were microscopic, so it cannot be seen through our naked eye. Now let us see about the next part. If you go inside this ovary, you will find ovules. That's all. This is the anatomy of the flower. Thank you.